Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your iPhone using iOS software. Creating a backup is essential to keep your data safe in your case your device gets lost, replaced, or damaged. This video is easy, quick, and straightforward to follow. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, ensure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. And once connected, open the settings. And once you have opened the settings, tap on the name at the top and then select iCloud. If the iCloud is currently turned off, you will need to switch it on. And once enabled, tap Backup Now to start the process and make sure to connect it to your Wi-Fi network until the backup is complete. Since my backup is downloaded already, I'm just gonna cancel this. The backup process should only take about a minute, and once it's finished, you will see the date and time of your last successful backup under Backup Now. But if you receive an alert saying you don't have enough iCloud storage, you can upgrade your storage plan. To do this, go back to the iCloud and here you will see the option named Upgrade to 50 GB for US 0.99 per month. Simply tap on that. And you will see three different options to choose from depending on your needs. If you rather not pay for extra storage, you can free up space by deleting files you no longer need, like old photos and videos. To enable automatic iCloud backups, ensure your device is connected to power and Wi-Fi regularly. This way, backups happen seamlessly in the background. And that's it. Backing up your iPhone is that simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.